All right, guys, come with me. Let me show you how to connect your WhatsApp to your PC so you can chat through your computer, okay? So let's go. So on your WhatsApp, tap this hamburger three dots icon. Then tap on linked devices. So here now, tap on link a device. So you give the permission if it asks for this permission. Okay. So you will see your phone will now have this QR code scanner, which you can use to scan the QR code of WhatsApp from the web. So the next thing we are going to do now is to go to the web. Go to your computer and type in web.whatsapp.com. So you see this QR code here. You will scan this QR code with that QR code scanner on your phone, okay? So what you are going to do is to move the QR code scanner onto the QR code. So it will scan it and automatically log you in. See me as I'm moving it slowly. So I'm moving it slowly. So now I get to the QR code, you see? Now it has logged me in. So now I'm logged in. So this is your WhatsApp. So you can always chat with anybody you want to. You tap and click on it, then you chat with the person. So whatever you're writing here, you will also be seeing it on your phone, okay? So thank you for watching and see you in the next videos, guys.